We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, continuing to fight and hold support and test key resistance levels. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 9:35 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, fighting to hold support. And in today's video, we're going to break down the key levels I'd watch going into Monday. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned over on Friday morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run today was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 9:35 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 170% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump to these charts. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, continuing to push up higher and hitting red bars on Friday pre-market and coming back up to bright green bars. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, back under a bull indicator after getting a bear indicator in the pre-market at the 552.60 level and a bull indicator popping up at the 552.40 area. Now, in the 30-minute chart, we've hit red bars again to complete the transition back down and needs to hit Y with red borders, but it is in a staircase effect here so far. Even though it's slightly pulling back, it's going to be crucial to see if a support is found, or will it come back to retest key support levels at or below where the bull indicator popped up. So definitely something to not ignore. Now, in the bigger picture of the 1 hour, we could see here no bear indicator just yet. The bull indicator from down here at the 521 area has been strong and dominating over the chart. Pure bright green bars and full strength here. No red bars or dark green, so definitely something to not overlook here in the bigger picture. It's been looking strong all of last week, and it looks like it's going strong going into this next week. So it's going to be crucial here to watch if supports continue to hold. Now, when we go back over to the 30-minute and look at Tesla, we could see it's under a bull indicator as well at 210. You have Apple here with the bull indicator at 224. And if we come over to Netflix, it was looking strong all day as well. It had a huge pop there from down here at the 660 level all the way up towards 680. And a bull indicator popped up down here at the 664 level. So definitely something to not overlook here. Multiple stocks under bull indicators, even the QQQ here at 473 and sitting at 474 in the after hours. And when we come over to the SPY and zoom into the volatility of the 15-minute, we could see here a full transition, right? From the dip area back up to the rip area. After doing a full transition down, it came back up with strength, canceled out that bear indicator, and a bull indicator dominated all day since the 551.43 level to be exact, and held strong even when it came back and tested supports here of 551.60 and did the next leg up. And it looks like it wants to continue to hold. Now I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflows and break down the key levels I would watch going into Monday. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, with inflows back above the midpoint here after crossing in the pre-market on that slight drop from 553 down to 550, and quickly it brought itself back over. And that's where things started to take off from 551.70 all the way up towards the 555 area. And then you have here inflows losing traction on the 30-minute, but still above positive 0.07. Even though it's red, that's something to watch here closely, because if it crosses, it could quickly start to reflect weakness into these charts. Now, on the 1 hour, outflows have been dropping all day while the stock is going up. That's a divergence right there, right? Stock is pushing up higher, outflows are dropping, but through that drop, inflows are still dominating and above the midpoint, even though it's red, positive 1.8. It's going to be crucial to see if it flattens out and brings itself back up and switches from red to green to justify any further move to the upside and retest of key resistance levels. Definitely something to not ignore. Now, in the bigger picture of the 1 hour, that's what we saw. In the volatility of the 15-minute, it has crossed below, but it's really, really close there to the midpoint at 0.14, right? Negative 0.14, full transition up, staircase effect here so far, and it's something to not ignore. But if these outflows continue to pull downwards, it could quickly start to reflect that weakness into these charts, possibly roll it over into the 30-minute and 1 hour. And the first support I'll be watching is 552. Then below that is 550. And then I'll be watching the 548 area. Now to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical here for, in the volatility of the 15-minute, these inflows to cross back over, switch from red to green, continue the staircase effect, retest key resistance levels, and bring back up the 30-minute and the 1 hour, switching from red to green and upwards. And the first resistance is 555, and then above that I'll be watching the 557 area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflows, I would not ignore them, as they're fighting here really close to the midpoint in the volatility of the 15-minute and 30-minute and 1 hour, and they're fighting to stay above here on the larger time frames. So that's going to be crucial, and I'll be watching that closely going into Monday. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.